realizing that PG&E, their rates were going to go up. And I did a calculation, and we figured that even if it went up 2 or 3% a year, after 10 years, that was going to over double it, the utility bill. Owning it seemed the best way because you could just put it on your house. It would add to the value. If the house was sold, I wouldn't have to worry about ownership or what was going to happen to it. It was going to be there. The representative from the solar company that came out and gave me the presentation, and that's when I sat there and did the calculations, and I thought, that's going to save me some money. That's the main thing that convinced me to go solar, is the financial aspect of it. The installation process was certainly reasonable, I think. It was a very smooth transition from the regular PG&E to the one with solar. It was like 10 days. That's how long after they installed it that PG&E was finally connected to it. I looked at my electric bills for the first year, and it was like $220. Who can do that for electricity for a year, especially in a house this size? Getting the loan, the process going through it, I didn't have any problems at all. It sailed right through. The loan payment is offset by the savings in electricity. So I was not going to deplete my cash reserves to get the solar. It was installed in April, and I didn't see any difference in that bill, but the May bill, I definitely noticed a difference. In retrospect, I might have gotten more panels and gotten more power out of it. It was only $10 for electricity. It was a little less, actually. That was the only charge for electricity that was on the bill, as opposed to the over $200 I was paying before. It's not going to be much of a burden on you in the future because it's going to be more stable and it's going to be more predictable. You'll be able to plan better. The panels are on the roof and I can turn on the electricity. If I had the choice to do a solar again, I would do it again.